Ladies and gentlemen, when we call on the graduates, 700 students and only 2 passers with the highest grade of 74.9. Give a round of applause, please. When we call Mr. Dudong, Istoy, Putoy, Patutoy, Gamay, Tutoy.
A pleasant afternoon to all, to me, to you, we, they, and everyone. Tonight, I am graduation, and I am proud of me. I invitation you all to eat our house because I know someday that I will eat your house too. I will die. 10 chickens, 7 girls, and 3 boys to eat you all. And I will ask my father to cook my mother. I'm sure you will come because I am graduation. Many thanks you very so much. God bless always. Yo, 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 yo!